Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. In my hand, I hold everything that you need to have a beautiful candlelight dinner. This candle accessory set from YZGJM holds everything that you need or the candle lover in your life. From the beautiful felt case with the fine leather strap detailing to all of the accessories, if you are a candle person, you will love this set. The set includes a candle snuffer, a wick trimmer, as well as a wax digger so that you can dig out your wick if it gets lost. And it also includes a rechargeable candle lighter, something that I have never seen before. So anytime you need to recharge it, you never have to worry about not having a candle lighter in your house. The tray that it includes is perfect to lay out on a table, making it all be ready and available whenever you need it and looking pretty all at the same time. For the candle lover in your life, or if you're one yourself and want to plan a beautiful candlelit dinner evening, this will have all the accessories that you need. And that's my point of view.